Hi and welcome to this video. In this video, we will write a program to calculate the area of triangle. We know that this is the formula for the area of the triangle, which is half BH, where B is base, H is height and A is area. When we look at the equation, half is constant, which is 0.5, B, H and A are variables. So, we need to declare 3 variables and 1 constant. Let's start writing the program. This is the basic structure of our C program. Let's declare int B, H, A. If we declare a very simple variable like B, we cannot understand what B is, right? So, better to give the meaningful variables. So, instead of giving B, give as base, declare it as height, declare it as area. And as we declare base and height variables of integer data type, we cannot give the input for base and height number with decimal. We should give only integer, it means only numbers like this. Let's say base 10, height is 5, like this. I cannot apply to the input like this. So, if we want to give the input for both numbers and numbers with decimals, better to declare it as float data type. Now, let's declare 1/2 as constant. We know that to declare a constant, we need to use the keyword const as 1/2. The value of 1/2 is 0.5, which is of float data type. We need to declare it as float, and the name of the constant should be in capital letters. Let's give triangle underscore half. We know that if there is more than one word, we need to separate with underscore 0.5. Now we should give information to the end user, enter the base value of the triangle. For that we should use printf. On looking this statement, the end user will give the base value of the triangle. Let's say the input is 25. Now we need to read this value and we need to store onto the variable base. To read float, we need to use scanf. We need to use the format specifier %f. F means float, and we need to give the float argument, which is base. Now we need to give information to the end user, enter height value of triangle. On looking this statement, the user will give the height value of the triangle. Let's say the height is 10. Now we need to read this as a float. We need to give scanf %f. We need to store onto the float variable, which is height. Now we need to calculate the area of the triangle. We need to give area equal to, as we stored 1/2 value onto the constant triangle underscore half into base into height. We know that this is the assignment operator. It will work from right to left. It means first this expression will be evaluated. After this expression is evaluated, the result of this expression will be stored onto the variable area. Now we need to display the value of the area. For that we should use printf statement. As area is of float data type, we need to use %f. We need to give /n, comma, we need to give the variable area. And we know that float gives a maximum of 6 decimals. If we want only 2 decimals, we need to give .2f. And we know that printf and scanf functions are available in stdio.h. So, we need to include stdio.h header file in the linkage section. We need to write #include stdio.h. Okay, this is the way to write a program to calculate the area of the triangle. Now let's execute this program in our CodeBlocks IDE. Let's create a new file. Let's save this program. So this is our program. Let's compile. Now our program is compiled successfully. Let's run our program. I'm giving the base of triangle as 10, height is 5. As we given to display only 2 decimals, we can see here only 2 decimals. Let's execute the program one more time and give base and height of float data types. Let's exit this execution window. I'm running the program again. This is the value for the base I given. Let's give the height like this. This is the value of the area for the equation half BH. And we already know that dot 2f means based on the third number, the second number will be rounded. It means, let's say for example, the area of the triangle is this value. As we given dot 2f here, this is the third number. As it is 5 or above 5, we will get the result as 78.63. If suppose the result of the area is this one, as it is below 5, the second number will not be rounded. It means we will get like this only. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on like button. Please also subscribe to our channel and click on notification button so that whenever I posted a video, you will get notification. Please do share and comment our video. See you next time.